In this video, I'm looking at the rear remotes of the International 1066. This tractor still has the original rear remotes, which today we call the old style International rear remotes. Because the rear remote style doesn't match up with a Pioneer style tip on an implement, which most implements are today, this video is going to show installing an adapter, a rear remote adapter, which allows a Pioneer style implement to be used with this International 1066. Here I'm looking at the rear remotes on an International 1066. This does have the old style International rear remote quick coupler style. You can see there's a little, it almost looks like a hexagon on a shaft in there. And then in this remote, the converter over to Pioneer is actually installed. Here the oil is turned off. I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out. So this is what the rear remote adapter from old style International to Pioneer looks like. Typically an implement that you've purchased since 1990 or so, most implements are going to have the Pioneer style hose tips, where you would not be able to attach the implement to the existing rear remote, so that's where the adapter comes in. Now notice how the collar here, this collar is flush with the outside. That's going to allow me to install the adapter, and it clicks right in there. I'm going to show you one thing that can cause a problem. Sometimes you might find that this has been pushed in, and so then when you try to install the adapter, it doesn't go in at all. So you have to reach your hand back here, push that out so that the collar is flush with the outside here, and then it will accept the adapter. And then of course you wouldn't turn the oil on unless you had your implement installed here with the adapter, but to turn the oil on, you turn the lever down. And then to turn the oil off, you put the lever up. So here we're looking at an implement hose that has the Pioneer style tip installed on it. As you can see here, the Pioneer tip is threaded on. You can see here too that this has kind of a pointy tip. Sometimes that's going to be like a round ball. Either is fine. And here we're installing a Pioneer style implement tip on the rear remotes of an International 1066, which has the original rear remotes. There's an adapter installed so that these rear remotes will now accept Pioneer. So to attach the implement, you push the collar forward, insert it. You do have to press fairly hard and then release the collar. And then of course you would do the same thing with an adapter and the other hose of the rear remote here. And you do want to turn the oil on, and then the implement is ready to use, assuming you did the same thing with this remote. Now to remove the implement hose, you want to turn the oil off, you push the collar forward, and then you pull the hose out.